Find articles in a database. John M. Fowle Library, CSUSB. Most of the library's databases are tools for locating articles. You can explore them from our home page. You can choose them alphabetically by name if you know it, or go to one of the databases by subject lists. I'm going to choose one that's useful for all topics. It's called EBSCOhost Academic Search Premier. I want to find articles on how sleep affects college students' performance in school. To begin, I'll need to choose a key word or phrase for each aspect of my topic. One obvious keyword is sleep, and another is college students. For the concept of performance in school, I'll choose the keyword grades, because this is a common way of representing how well students perform. I'll type my keywords in the search box. By default, EBSCOhost looks for all of the words that I type. Notice that EBSCOhost gives me the option to limit my results to scholarly or peer-reviewed journals only, because this is a requirement on many assignments. Now I have 271 results. They're in order by relevance, but I can change that if I want to. Date Newest sorts the most recent articles first. Click on any interesting title for more information about it. I like to look for the abstract, a short summary of the article, to help me decide if I want it or not. The subjects and keywords can help if I need to change my search to get better results. For example, instead of my original keyword grades, I could substitute academic achievement, because now I know this term is used in this database. The Cite option helps me format the citation to include in my paper. But be careful, it isn't safe to just copy and paste the formatted citation. There could still be errors, so you're responsible for double-checking it. Now, how do I get copies of the articles I like? This article has the full text immediately available. PDF full text looks like a printed page. I can download it, print it, or use EBSCOhost's email function to send myself a copy. Let's try a different article. This article does not have the full text immediately available, but I can use the Search for Full Text button to see if we have it. Search for Full Text tells me that this article is available in one of our other databases. In this case, I jump straight into the full text of the article, but always watch for links to the PDF version. Sometimes getting the full text may require one more click. Let's try one more article that doesn't immediately have the full text. For this one, the text was not found, but I have the option to check for a free version in Google Scholar. If you find a free version, great. But if the article asks you to pay to read it, stop right there. Go back to the library and use our sign-in option to place a request. This service is called Interlibrary Loan. It's free for CSUSB students. It only takes a day or so, and it's handled completely online. You'll be notified as soon as your article is ready to download. Finally, this screen suggests related articles that might help me expand my research. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Try our other tutorials available from our homepage, or check our library guides at libguides.csusb.edu.